How to remove text from a PDF document. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a text from a PDF document. So first of all, you have to open a online PDF editor. Like I am using searchda.com. You can also use I love PDF and any other online PDF editor. And after coming to the official website, we have to click on edit a PDF document, and after that upload your PDF file from here. I click on upload and then select the file. I'll just select my one, and as you can see, here's the text. We'll just can simply select the text and click on delete from here, and that's it. That's how you can delete a word or a sentence from a PDF with this online PDF editor. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.